Compressible flow, question 11. Find the speed of sound in carbon dioxide at temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and 600 degrees Celsius. So the question asks us to calculate the speed of sound, and this is the equation. You could use gamma, and sometimes people will use K. So because this is not an A, so we cannot use the value of R here, 287. We need to calculate its own gas constant. So molecular mass for carbon dioxide is 44.01 to be specific, and K for carbon dioxide is 1.3. So we substitute all the value here. We could found that for temperature 20 degrees Celsius, so the speed of sound is 268.3 meters per second, and at temperature 600 degrees Celsius, the speed of sound is 463.0 meters per second.